Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu says that Israel's progeny, the cave, Maryam, Taha, and the prophets are extremely excellent chapters in terms of eloquence and use of figurative language, and I have learnt them by heart for ages. Qatada says, Judadan means to tear into pieces. Hasan Basri says, Fi falakin, the stars spin in the sky as the spinning wheel spins. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, Nafashat, grazed, yasbahuna, they will be prevented. Ummatukum ummatam wahida, this religion of yours is a single religion. Ikrimah says, Hatabu is hasabu. In Ethiopian language, it means fuel. The other learned people say, Ahassu means had an expectation from him. It is from Asastu. Khamidina means extinguished. Hasidu, uprooted. It is used for singular, dual, and plural each. La yastahsirun, they do not get sick of, and hasiru has been derived from it as hasartu ba'iri, I have made my camel tired. Amikon, frag flung areas. Nakisu, turned back. San'atu labusin, courts of mail. Taqatta'u amrahum, deferred. Wal hissu wal hasisu wal hamsu and wal jarsu are synonyms, means faint sound. Azannaka, notified you. Azantukum, I informed you. So matter is on equal basis, and we did not employ any treachery. La'allakum tasa'alun, happily you may understand. Artada, agreed. At-tamasil, idols. As-sajil means register. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4739.